see many pivots. Swim around.
They're cool, but quite a unit, aren't they?
Yeah.
Compare it to like the little classic at the back. The little one, the size of the tire.
Yeah, that's an American classic at Plymouth.
Yeah. Well, and it's a good one as well.
Yeah, it's a good nick.
Oh, was it the guy in front of us? Nah. Oh, it's gorgeous as well. Yeah.
That's lovely. But that fucking shifts.
I bet.
Is it yours?
Mum and Dad still wandering up. Done it all himself.
If you look like that, you have to shift in here, otherwise it's just...
Yeah, there's no point in piddling up.
7.8 litre with a blower on
yeah, that'll be
it. Yeah.
Talk for days.
I don't know what it'll run, but he's never done this with it, so.
That'll be interesting to find out today then.
Tell you what, I won't want to be hit by this speed. I reckon that'll rip you a hole.
Yeah, there was that game Crazy Taxi or something. You used to like have to crash into people.
Yeah.
Long time ago.
That's an old game, that is.
Yeah. It's friends that signing up office as well. Alright. Good luck for today, man. Have fun.
Have fun.
Well, have fun, and everybody's going to have fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good old Mustang. They're nice, those new Mustang. So some years I was not fan of, but the new Mustangs, they look good. You like them, you Leon, yeah?
I do, yeah, I like Mustangs.
Sorry, bit of a Honda fine boy, so. Quite surprised actually so far I haven't had a Honda.
I've had a Honda CBR.
Well, my car history's fucking piss poor. An Astra 5-door.
Yeah.
A Peugeot 405 Estate and a Fiat Punto diesel.
Yeah, but you never spend much on your car, eh?
The most I spent on a car was 350 quid. That was the first one I ever bought. Yeah.
The Porsche we saw, didn't we? Unless it's another red one.
No, it's nothing. The other one had a wider spoiler.
Yeah.
He went straight round.
That's the Merc we were behind.
Yeah.
See, they already know the place. Man, look.
No, that must be it then.
That's the guys that was behind you, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, see, that's why we...
They are,
Like toi, t'as broke their cruise.
Cunts brought my car.
Yeah.
I absolutely adore RS6 Advance.
Well, on here it's the model before they ruined the front bumper. Let's have a quick look over here as well. Because you know, that way episode out of just...
Absolutely, yeah, just drooling
Nah. Side shift. Normally they're like... That's sexy. Alright, mate.
Yeah, man.
Yours?
Yeah, man.
Gorgeous.
Thanks, mate.
How much power you're running in that?
So running 260 brake horsepower with 208 wheel brake horsepower.
Nice.
Map by street racers. K20A2 and an EK9 shell.
Lovely combo, man.
That is nice.
All spray paint done by a rattle can.
Yeah.
Anyone you get from Halford.
Yeah.
All everything's all done. Rattle can.
Yeah, it does the job though, doesn't it?
She's a bit dirtier from the travel down here.
Well, you know, at the end of the day, it's not a show car, it's yours, didn't it?
Yeah. It's
Daily hit?
Daily driver.
Nice.
So engine came out of an EP3 Civic, put it all into an EK9. The shell is from 1998, engines from 2005 to 2007.
Have you got an Instagram or whatnot?
Which say, sorry?
Have you got Instagram or something?
No, no.
No?
Just that.
Fair enough.
So, at the moment in time, this is the most powerfulest naturally aspirated K20 that's come out of street races in the last 18 months.
Nice. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, man, that's a pod and a half, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's the air intake. Big scoop on that.
Yeah. Done any pass yet or?
Not the first time the car's been here. Not done any passes or nothing.
Yeah.
Want to see what it does.
Yeah, it's first time here as well.
We're looking for a 12. Nice 12 seconds. Was it that?
Nice,
that
man.
used to be the most powerful NA, but then my mate went turbo.
Hey, that's your mate's one.
Yeah, my mate went turbo, so we are now going to take the title for naturally aspirated.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So he's trying to go for the turbo title then.
Yeah, yeah. Big turbo on that. He's running 400 brake.
Wheel or
In something that weighs like nothing as well, isn't it?
Power.
you got 405. Yeah, 400.5.
400. It's 0.5, but nobody give a crap about the decibel.
Oh yeah.
But I'm like twice the weight of that.
Why, what car you got?
S3.
A what?
S3? Audi S3?
Audi S3.
Audi S3.
Stage 2 tuned.
Smoke it.
Hey, it's shift too, but you know, it's not power to weight ratio, it's completely different, man.
Last night my mate smoked an Ardo Grey RS6 straight out the factory. Smoked it.
Well, yeah, the hardest bit will be wheel spin on those, isn't it? Oh yeah, but nice fat tires as well, man.
Oh fuck it, mate. You might as well give it a crack.
Yeah.
From home to 60 is about 9 seconds.
Yeah, no, you know, body-wise, this has a lot more class as well.
So what's it, me? I'm not.
Him is on, I don't know if it's him or whatnot, but might as well.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
For the like 5 people that
that's
be
him.
watching.
No, that's him. We're streaming on YouTube or something.
Yeah, do video. We've got Beardchanics.
Vlogger.
Yeah, we sort of like started a channel about, you know, car mod and just going around and stuff. So by no means is it going to be seen by thousands quite yet, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But it's a good excuse to go around as well and, you know, look
Yeah.
at cool build and stuff like
Oh
that.
yeah.
Oh, look at that lovely shifter as well, man.
Yeah.
K-Tunes straight from Tigua.
Oh, torsion bar on it, isn't it? That's what you call it. Can't remember what it was.
Yeah, and stripped at the back on everything.
I think it's a strut, like a tightening strut. Stop the chassis from bending.
Yeah, yeah. It gives it more more rigidity, and it doesn't flex going around corners as well. Not that you're gonna fucking care here.
Yeah.
So what's it? We still got a lot of work to do on that Civic. Still on stock suspension.
Okay.
Still on stock suspension. Skunk 2 race inlet manifold. Big cone air intake. Yes, Tim, are you right? Where you at?
I really don't like Mercs. I can't stand them.
I'm not a fan of them as well. On the interior is like aluminium, really heavy aluminium, and I'm really not keen on
What's
that.
it?
I prefer the BMWs.
Yeah, I should be.
Yeah, should go sign in.
We'll go sign up, mate, alright?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, mate.
Gee. That's a monster.
They're queuing, aren't they? I don't know whether you can actually see them. Nice. Another GTR. Those are lovely. Those.
Yeah, I like it.
Ah, look at that Honda as well, man. K24 EGT as well. Perfect edge plate. Beauty.
There you go. Sign
Golf R. And a Kia Stinger. Never seen them in the flesh. Amos. Kia.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a Kia Stinger. After whether he'll recognize us is another story.
I'll have to give him a shout out.
Look at that
Oh yeah.
color wrapped Bentley.
How many people do you think are wearing skid lids? There ain't that fucking many, you know.
We're wearing what?
Skid lids.
Skid lids? What are skid lids?
Helmet, don't know.
Ah, all the ones that
So
are
it's not a
all the
blind
ones
helmet,
that are
yeah.
not wearing helmets are the ones that are not going to reach 110 miles per hour by the quarter mile.
You will, then, won't you?
Of course, that's why I said bring a helmet,
Yeah.
because I reach that on normal road of a quarter mile, so I'm pretty sure on here.
Oh yeah, blimey.
So the question then is, how many skid lids you got?
Yeah, so when we do a pass, we'll have to do it when Lee. Well, no, Lee doesn't have a bike and won't reach 110, so the biker doesn't need helmets today,
Yeah, funny enough.
unfortunately.
Difficult.
Twin turbo as well. Yeah, I call that shift, man.
Yeah.
It's quite a tiny little engine bay
Yeah.
to put a big chunky engine with twin turbo, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to custom make a bonnet just to fit
Nah.
it.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
On the way up there, he did one of them, and it had the natural bit that was weathered like that, right? That you see, that's been manufactured.
Oh, that's proper patina. You know,
But
that's,
this dude, man, fucking,
and look,
been
man,
left
it's just
out in the
like
sun for like 30 years.
Yeah.
You know, so whatever.
proper dense in it, gorgeous interior.
And then they decided to do this thing up. They put some fucking
Lovely.
massive big block Corvette into it. Fuck
Look
no,
at
that
those
went
two
like
bearded
shit.
twats chatting.
He was making 11s constantly.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Lovely RS3 there. Just chatting to a guy that says that's 1100 brake horsepower. Hopefully I don't go up against him.
His mate's on the fucking cruise boat.
That RS3 is 1100 brake horsepower. You can hear that.
Oh man, did me just 37 years. What's it since 84? So yeah, I've been watching for quite a long time.
Very nice stretched tyre booster.
It has become boring. But this year, the last 2 or 3 years,
It's like an old GSX.
they made it more exciting.
What did you say? With that plug.
Mate, how slow off the line was he? Man, that win.
Still might not have been the slowest. Ah, you were still kicking me. By 2 seconds. Moving on to proper vehicles now.
Yeah, not enough over the front wheel.
No, it's still a good time though.
You think how much quicker that would be if you had his front wheel now?
Yeah.
And he's foot down the whole time.
Yeah.
Probably sat there thinking, oh man, yeah, this close so quick. Just shy.
Was that 9.1?
Too much on the limit. Fire, it goes through the building and you get a dodge top afterwards.
So what now?
So we chambered feeding so what they've done is they chambered it from the steel ball bearings and yeah, we used about 10 minutes for a fire. That part of the receiver is like plastic,
is, in some ways, it's not against the car. Yeah, it's your car, not the other car. Corvette as well.
Yeah, that Corvette. It's got the Pontiac, wasn't it?
No, he's got a ZR4.
Ah,
With the block JS1 engine. Supposed to
It's nice, but it's not been running the entire time I've known it though. It's been in the garage the whole time.
Well, when we picked it up, we got within 15 minutes of Colchester, and it broke down the slipway going down to Remembrance. Colchester. Yeah, oh yeah.
It's like counting.